Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Our hearts are full of love for Dadi. We all are in remembrance of Baba, but also thinking about Dadi. So when I went to offer bhog to Baba, I saw Baba and Dadi as companions. Baba is holding Dadi's hand, and as I went there, then I gave everyone's remembrances and said to Baba that we are big family. We are, on behalf of the big family, everyone sitting, we all are together to offer bhog. And Baba looked at the bhog with lot of love, accepted bhog, and after that also offered to Dadi also, fed her also. And I said, Dadi, said to Baba also that we all really love Dadi. And Baba said, Baba knows that. So then I was taking drishti from both of them. And then I said that even I understand, I think we all understand that with Dadi, she had to change her part from corporeal to angelic, and that happened. So on one side, my feelings are that my heart says I will miss Dadi because every step she was like guide, a good example, and tried to communicate with me through thoughts more than words. And on the other side, I also know that she wants all of us to ascend to our higher stage, and for that, in angelic form, she's inspiring us also to follow Baba's directions so that we can also become complete and perfect. So I was sharing my feelings, my emotions with Baba, and Dadi also was listening. And then after they were smiling and looking at me, and I think looking at all of us, now I shouldn't say just me, because we all were present there. And Baba said that Dadi will be guiding all of you in angelic form. And it's like Baba, I think must be, sometimes Baba is like very light-hearted. Baba said that I also need company in subtle regions. No? I said, Baba, we all are your companions. He said, no, you all have to still play your part from the corporeal, but Dadi will be with me playing part in an angelic form. And they looked at each other and Dadi was holding Baba's hand. So there are two things. One is when Baba holds your hand, another is when you hold Baba's hand. I just want to share one line in between is that I had the fortune to host Brahma Baba in Delhi for about a week or two. I won't go in detail. And Baba used to teach me, show me many things what to do. And he will hold my finger, hold my hand. And one is the child is looking for help and holding. Other is Baba is guiding and holding hand. I still have sensation in my hand. Brahma Baba holding my hand few times to take me around to show. So we all also have to keep in mind that I hold Baba's hand and Baba holds my hand. And then Baba said that one of the Dadi's specialty was that she understood and recognized Baba, and based on that, she followed directions of Baba. She was very obedient and in following Shrimad. And when she followed Shrimad, then she did something. It's not just through consciousness, but she implemented in practical. And then it becomes her blessing. It becomes blessing. So when it becomes blessing, then whatever she will say to others, others will also feel the power from her words. It was kind of Baba is revealing secret or inspiring us that when I am understanding knowledge, recognizing Baba, follows Baba's Shrimad, in a way become obedient, then based on that implementation or dharana, that what direction Baba gave, it becomes blessing in the life. And from that blessing, when you are image of that blessing, as Dadi was, then whatever Dadi thinks or say, it becomes blessings in our lives also. So as Dadi became the image of blessings, Dadi also wants all of us to become now the image of blessings. So for that, 4 steps Dadi said. First, to understand knowledge, that means to become sensible. And second step is then recognition of Baba. He is God, He is Almighty, He is purifier, liberator, all God's qualities. And then you implement that and bring inculcation in your personal life, and also act or do actions of service towards others based on that. So then it becomes blessing in your life. And when you have blessing of any blessing you have, then you also have capacity that whatever you say, whatever you do, it also becomes blessing for us. So Baba looked and then he said, you all have to be now image of blessings. Because at this time, people listen to knowledge, but they won't listen that much. But everyone will say, I want your good wishes, I want blessing. People say, pray for us, meditate for us, talk to God for us. So image of blessing, that's what Dadi said you all have to become. And then Baba said one of the other specialty of Dadi was that her faith was unshakable. Whether it was situations, whether it was tests from body, whether it was many kinds of test papers came, but Dadi has unshakable faith. And that faith was that Baba is with me, so I have to pass with honor. Dadi always will like to pass with honor. And then at that time, I looked at Dadi and I remember that few times certain situations came where there were some of the challenges for Yagya. We will talk to Dadi, show our concern, and Dadi will say, अभी तक बहुत अच्छा हुआ है, इसी तरह अंत तक होगा. Everything until now has gone very well, and everything will continue to go well until the end of Kalpa. And she said these words also for Yagya. And why I am mentioning it, because very subtly, most of us have this question, what will happen to centers, how long they will be closed, and what will happen to resources, or suddenly some have these thoughts. So remember, her faith and her words अभी तक बहुत अच्छा चला है. Everything has gone very well until now. And it will continue to be like this, will continue to keep going well because this is Baba's yagya. So certainly this whole thing of I and my, I and mine is happening because of my quality, because of this. No. It's Baba's yagya, Baba's task. I am Baba's instrument. So Dadi's Mahamantra all the time was Baba. My Baba never was I and mine. So it will go well, but obstacles, subtle obstacles come when there is this thought of I and mine. Then we create some kind of subtle obstacles or different difficulties come. So the foundation of Dadi's life was that trust, total trust. Not only faith in Baba, but whatever Baba is doing, that task has to get accomplished. So I was looking at Dadi because, of course, we can keep meeting Dadi every day because we can meet in angelic form, but as offering of bhog is for us in a way last day, not last day. We will do every day. We cook food, we can offer to Baba and Dadi. And we will be doing every Thursday evening. We will keep offering bhog to Dadi. And today the bhog was behalf of many, all of us in a way. And so lots of love remembrances from Bab Dada and Dadi. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Good night, everyone.